Hello again and welcome to the Waters and Stanton video channel. My name's Peter Waters, G30JV. Thanks for joining me. A few years ago I did a video which described how easy it was to use a Heil headset with the Elecraft KX3 transceiver. Now the Heil headset traditionally has either a single or dual earpiece and a boom microphone. It's ideal for portable operation because, you know, when you're out in the field, it's surprising how much noise there is, whether it be traffic or aircraft and so forth. So if you've got a headset on, then you can hear the received signal so much more clearly. And of course, with a boom microphone, your hands are free to operate the transceiver, or dare I say it, to operate the CW key. Anyway, I did this video 2 or 3 years ago, but it's equally applicable to the Elecraft KX2 transceiver. Connecting a headset to the KX2 transceiver is exactly the same as with the KX3. So without further ado, let's have a look at exactly how easy it is. Now I'm going to show you how to connect a Heil headset to the KX3. The Heil headset is the ideal partner for the KX3 because in actual fact it's so simple. You need to have a Heil set that's got the two 3.5mm connectors. The black connector is actually a 3-way pin out, and that's the audio because it's a stereo connection. And the grey plug is just a 2-pin connection, and that's actually the mic. Now the first thing we have to do is we have to go into the KX3 menu system. We do that by pressing the bottom right hand button in for about a second or so. It bleeps, and I've already selected the menu system for the microphone. You select the menu system by rotating this knob here, the VFOB knob. It says PTT up down. Now we don't want that, so what we do is rotate the big VFO knob, which changes the menu option until we get off. So the PTT and the up down are now switched off. Now the next thing we need to do is we need to go into Mic Bias. I've already set this by selecting it on the VFOB knob. You can see there it says, I hope in the picture you can see it, Mic Bias. At the moment it says off, so we rotate to the big VFO knob and we select on, and that's the completion of setting the KX3 up. Now we come around to the other side of the radio and we now connect our Heil headset to the radio. Some of you may be wondering how the grey mic plug, which is just a 2-pin connection, is going to work with the KX3, which normally has a 4-pin connection. That's the reason why we went into the menu system and turned those items off. So I plug the grey mic plug into the KX3 input, mic input, and the black plug into the KX3 headphone input. I've now got audio coming through the headphones, and I've got audio hopefully coming through the microphone. Once you've completed this and everything checks out okay, the final check is to make sure the radio works okay. So you put your headphones on and you turn the volume control up to make sure you've got audio coming through the headset. Then with this button here you adjust your power level down to 0. You then press the monitor button here, which is covered in the manual, to set a monitor level of about 10 or 15. You now press the TX button, which is this button here. That sets it in the transmit mode. You'll see a light come on, and with the mic gain on the transmit side advanced, you should be able to hear your own voice in the monitor. That proves the system is working. And that really is all there is to it. Now there's two ways of controlling transmit receive. You can either use this transmit button on the bottom left here, or you can set up the Vox. Either way works well, and it's really down to your own discretion as to which way you use it. And that's how you set up the KX3 with a headset. No adapters needed. Well, there we are. I hope you found that very helpful. Don't forget, if you like watching these videos, please press subscribe. We will continue to bring videos about equipment, new ideas, and the latest news and so forth. And if you have any questions, or you are interested in buying, well, Elecraft, of course, we've got all the products in stock, and we've got the largest ham radio warehouse in the UK, and we'll be delighted to hear from you and help you, because all our staff are fully qualified ham operators. So again, thanks for watching. Press subscribe, and I'll see you shortly.